and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for April 21st through April 27th. I'm just going to give you guys a heads up. It's going to be a slow week. Usually it is around the holidays. We are also not getting any inserts. I made a video. I always let you guys know, so don't buy any newspapers unless you plan on reading the actual paper. But don't buy any papers because we are not getting inserts. And then one thing I also want to tell you guys, there is going to be an 8x10 photo free that is coming this weekend. So when I get the information for that, I will be posting a video. So get your photo ready if you guys do have one in mind. And then right here, they do have a 10 times everyday points. That is for the 21st through the 27th. So it's for the whole week. They usually do that when it's going to be a slow week. So, and I've already can tell it's going to be a slow week. So here you got the main page. Nothing really popping out at me. The hair stuff, buy two get the third one free. So not much going on, but I am going to tell you guys this is the last week to use the Walgreens booklet. The May one will be coming out after this week. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that, but nothing really that's pointing out at the front page for me. I mean, unless you guys see something you need, but I'm just here to share with you guys. They do, oh, it skipped ahead. They do have Reese's and Kit Kat bars, 79 cents in case you guys need that. A couple weeks ago they were 2 for $1. So it just depends on how much stuff you guys need. But they do have Rimmel makeup on sale for 40% off. I don't know if that one coupon is still valid for the buy one mascara, get the eyeliner free or something like that. I'm not sure if that's still available. I just thought of that. I'm going to Coupon Tom. This is a website that I check. Nope, that Rimmel one expired. So you guys can use the 40% off on sale, plus in the Walgreens booklet there is a 3 off of 2. So there might be some okay deals. I do like Rimmel makeup. Maybelline is it just says if you buy 2 you get a $5 register reward. So depends on if you guys need Maybelline coupons. This is probably the best month to get makeup, period, from what I've seen. Now they do have all for buy one get one free. There's a better deal coming up, I think, the following week or the week after that. So just keep in mind on that unless you guys really need some all laundry. Lots of food deals, nothing that's really popping out. They got sugar and oil for $1.99, but that Kellogg's, it's $1.99. We do have some coupons that you guys can print from the Kellogg's family website, but nothing really of high value. Yeah, lots of food deals, but nothing that's really like a pop. I mean, unless you guys need olives, but those are either 2 for $2 or 99 cents all the time. All the time. Here we got some more candy snack deals. Nothing that's really popping up. Liquor and all that fun stuff. Now here they got plates for 99 cents if you guys need some paper plates. Those are actually pretty decent plates for Walgreens. You can have them just scan the ad, or you can just add it to your card. They have soap for 99 cents if you guys need that. Otherwise, cleaning products, nothing. It's a slow week, and it's nice to have a slow week because we've had some good ones. But here, nothing really popping out. They do have Wet n Wild. It says there's going to be 50% off coupons in most Sunday's paper. I don't know why it says that because we are not getting inserts this Sunday. So if there is coupons out there, awesome, but I don't think there is. But it does say if you spend 8, you'll get a $4 register reward. They have a lot of the makeup, buy one, get one 50% off. So the Revlon and the Almay, it'd be pretty much the same deal as it was 2 weeks ago. So we do have some coupons that are in the 4-7 Smart Source, and there's also coupons, a 5 off of 2 in the Walgreens booklet. CoverGirl, I think it says CoverGirl. No, L'Oreal. L'Oreal says if you buy 2, you get a $4 register reward. But there's that for makeup. Here we got the Colgate deal again. The toothpaste is going to be $3.99. We do have those $2 off coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. I don't think they expired yet. But if they don't, I haven't checked. Let me check real quick because I don't want to give you guys the wrong information. They don't expire till the 27th, so you're fine with that. So yeah, you guys basically want to buy 2 Colgates with the $2 off coupons. You guys would pay $3.98. But then you get 4,000 points when you buy 2. So that's pretty much the same deal that they're having right now. That's the best deal. Get free toothpaste. So I will definitely be doing that. I only have like 2 more coupons, but I'm going to definitely do that. Schick razors are buy one, get one 50% off. Now we do have $4 off coupons in the 4-7 Smart Source, and there was a 7 off of 2 printable coupon that we printed from coupons.com that is no longer available. So you guys can mix and match with those. If you spend 20, you get 5,000 points, which is a pretty good deal. Other than that, nothing really popping out on that. And then now we're into like the medicines and vitamins and stuff. Nothing really awesome. But just wanted to share with you guys, like I said, it's going to be a slow week, which is fine. It's nice to take a break. But other than that, that is all I'm seeing, and that is it for the last of the pages. So just wanted to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.